Volkswagen continues to strengthen its presence in the competitive SUV segment with the introduction of the VW Tharu XR in China. This latest addition to Volkswagen's diverse SUV lineup combines German engineering with tailored features designed specifically for the Chinese market, offering consumers a compelling blend of style, performance, and versatility. The VW Tharu XR stands out with its bold and contemporary design language, characterized by dynamic lines, sculpted surfaces, and an assertive stance. This SUV exudes a sense of confidence and sophistication, making a strong visual statement on both city streets and rugged terrain. Under the hood, the Tharu XR delivers robust performance powered by a range of efficient and responsive engines tailored to meet the diverse needs of Chinese drivers. Whether navigating urban traffic or embarking on weekend adventures, the Tharu XR promises a balanced blend of power, efficiency, and driving pleasure. Inside the cabin, Volkswagen has prioritized comfort, convenience, and advanced technology to enhance the driving experience. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship create an inviting interior environment, while intuitive controls and connectivity features ensure seamless integration with modern digital lifestyles. The Tharu XR also excels in safety and driver assistance technologies, incorporating Volkswagen's latest innovations to provide peace of mind on every journey. From advanced collision avoidance systems to adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance, the Tharu XR is equipped with a comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance safety and responsiveness. In addition to its practicality and performance, the Tharu XR offers versatility with ample cargo space and flexible seating configurations. Whether transporting passengers or cargo, this SUV adapts effortlessly to accommodate various lifestyle demands, making it an ideal choice for families and active individuals alike. Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability is also evident in the Tharu XR, with eco-friendly technologies and efficient engine options that reduce emissions and minimize environmental impact. By integrating responsible manufacturing practices and innovative engineering solutions, Volkswagen strives to lead the way towards a more sustainable automotive future in China and beyond. As part of Volkswagen's strategic expansion in the Chinese market, the Tharu XR represents a key pillar in the brand's SUV portfolio. Positioned to appeal to a wide range of consumers seeking quality, performance, and reliability, the Tharu XR underscores Volkswagen's dedication to meeting evolving customer preferences and driving trends in one of the world's largest automotive markets. In conclusion, the VW Tharu XR exemplifies Volkswagen's commitment to innovation and excellence in the SUV segment. With its dynamic design, advanced technologies, and versatile capabilities, the Tharu XR sets a new benchmark for premium SUVs in China, offering drivers an unparalleled combination of style, performance, and practicality suited for modern lifestyles.